Kids, in today's class, we will practice sound of words with long O. Okay, kids? What we will practice today? Sound of words with long O. Okay, see here. First word is C-O-A-L. How we speak? Coal. C-O-A-L. Coal. S-O-U-L. Soul. S-O-U-L. Soul. S-O-A-P. Soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. S-T-O-V-E. Stove. S-T-O-V-E. Stove. C-O-L-D. Cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. B-O-N-E. Bone. B-O-N-E. Bone. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. O-P-E-N. Open. O-P-E-N. Open. V-O-T-E. Vote. V-O-T-E. Vote. R-O-A-D. Road. R-O-A-D. Road. G-O-A-T. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. C-O-A-T. Coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. S-N-O-W. Snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. B-L-O-W. Blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. C-R-O-W. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. F-L-O-W. Flow. F-L-O-W. Flow. G-R-O-W. Grow. G-R-O-W. Grow. K-N-O-W. No. K-N-O-W. No. G-L-O-W. Glow. G-L-O-W. Glow. S-H-O-W. So. S-H-O-W. So. So kids, today we will practice the sound of long O. All of you practice all these words at your home. Kids, let's practice sound of words with long E. Okay? Your word is C-L-E-A-N. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. S-E-A-T. Sit. S-E-A-T. Sit. S-E-E-N. Seen. S-E-E-N. Seen. T-E-A-M. Team. T-E-A-M. Team. All of you practice with me. S-L-E-E-P. Slip. S-L-E-E-P. Slip. D-R-E-A-M. Dream. D-R-E-A-M. Dream. E-A-T. Eat. E-A-T. it. Green, green. Green, green. Sneeze, sneeze. Sneeze, sneeze. Zebra, zebra. Zebra, zebra. Asleep, asleep. Asleep, asleep. Agree, agree. Agree. Eagle, eagle. Eagle, eagle. Leaf, leaf. Leaf, leaf. Meal, meal. Meal, meal. Heel, heel. Deal, deal. Deal, deal. Queen, queen. Queen, queen. Steel, steel. Steel, steel. Deep, dip. Practice again, kids. Clean, sit, seen, team, sleep, dream, eat, green, sneeze, zebra, asleep, agree, eagle, leaf, meal, heel, deal, queen, steal, dip. Okay? Practice it at home.